In Thailand, many hardworking women cook, sell food on the streets. These women are commonly referred to as street food vendors, play a vital role in the country's food culture. Thai street cuisine is well known for its delicious flavors, affordable rates, and highly convenient spots all around the country. Street food is popular among locals and visitors due to its high quality and accessibility. A large portion of women who make a living as salespeople on the streets of Thailand are expert chefs who have developed the abilities for many years and whilst working in the field. They could specialize in a single cuisine as an area of speciality, or they might present a variety of dishes to pick from so that the clients can find something that meets their interests. Interest in Thai street food has been growing rapidly in recent years. Some street vendors serve Thai street food have achieved celebrity status due to the food's rising profile. The hardworking women who make their living selling food on the streets are an essential element of the regional cuisine culture and contribute immensely to the country's dynamic and diverse environment. Most of the time, the ladies working in the kitchen specialize in particular style of food, such as preparing traditional Thai meals like pad Thai, green curry, and sometimes similar to Thai salad. In addition to that, might serve a range of grilled meats, fish, and some delicious desserts such as mango sticky rice and fried bananas. These women often get up early hours in the morning to cook the cuisine, which they travel to a place they have chosen to sell food. Mostly they specialize in just one of the two dishes, which they master to the point where they are widely recognized as having exceptional food skills. Selling food on the street can be a challenging approach, making a living because it typically demands long hours of work, having exposed to the weather and even customer traffic. For many Thai women, selling food on the street is a way to support their families and earn a living wage. This Thai food is famous for its wonderful and one-of-a-kind flavor that allows them to share their cooking knowledge and their culture with others. The amount of money that women in Thailand make by selling food on the street can vary enormously depending on various factors including location, the kind of food that is sold, and overall the amount of food that is sold on a daily basis. A street vendor in Thailand can reportedly make anywhere from $15 to $45 a day. It is important to point out that vendors selling food on the street frequently have low overhead costs because in most circumstances they do not require to pay rent or electricity. So because of this, selling food on streets could provide a sizable income for them and their families. In addition, a reliable source of income for several vendors is the frequency with which their returning customers make purchases. Women in Thailand would have to live respectable lives, choose to pursue occupations selling food on the street as their major source of income. However, it strongly depends on several other elements, such as the vendor's location, the cost of living in the area, and their capacity to bring in new customers and keep the ones they have. In Thailand, those who make their income selling food on the streets tend to have lower living costs than those in other professions such as business. Suppose they have a big family to support or other significant financial obligations. In that case, the money they make selling food on the street might not be enough to provide a pleasant and meaningful life. It can be challenging for vendors to save for the future if the income is unstable. In general, selling food on the street can be a fair income for women in Thailand. Moreover, it is still being determined whether or not this is a source of revenue that can be sustained over the long run. Many vendors will at some point in the future consider diversifying their income or transferring to other professions or business that provide greater security and better financial prospects. There are a variety of factors that influence a Thai woman's decision to become a street food vendor, but here are a few. Number 1. Flexibility. The job's flexible hours, selling food on the street might be an attractive alternative for women with other responsibilities, such as caring for young children or elderly relatives. Number 2. No initial investment is required. The street food vendors typically don't have to pay rent or utility. Street food vendors typically don't have to pay rent and get by with less expensive equipment, ingredients, and starting such a business requires only a little money. 3. Competent in the kitchen. Thai women have remarkable talents in the kitchen and may have inherited traditional family recipes or invented their own creative meals. The chance to sell their meals on the streets gives these ladies a platform to demonstrate their abilities by working and showing others before. Limited employment opportunities. In certain locations of Thailand, women may discover a few genuine employment possibilities accessible to them. One may be the ability to sell food on the street. This is especially true in rural settings where there may be a fewer work possibilities accessible. In Thailand, women can become street food vendors to support themselves and their families while showcasing their talent and giving back to the communities. These women may find this to be a profound and fulfilling opportunity. In conclusion, Thai street food is a significant aspect of Thai culture. Tireless women who cook in streets play a vital role in preserving this custom. Even though they put in a lot of effort and have to fight many problems, these ladies continue to deliver great meals to residents and guests at affordable prices. Their contributions to the culture of Thailand cannot be matched by anybody else. They are a testament to persistent and innovation of the Thai people. Their entrepreneurial activities, their tireless commitment and efforts have made them a vital part of the nation's cultural fabric, and their legacy will be carried on from generations to generations. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. If you have any thoughts, anything about women, comment below. Thank you.